Hello friends, I Shivardhan welcome you to my new video. As the share market series is going on, so this video is specific to the people who wish to invest in share market. Now, in this video we shall be discussing the education and training sector companies. So who should invest in education and training sector companies? So that is the question that we will discuss in this video and try to find a palmistry aspect onto it, that what all indications and what all signs are there in your hand. So if you are having those indication, you must invest your money into the shares or stocks of these education and training sector companies. So those will be very beneficial for you. So let's get started with our video. I Shivardhan welcome you, and you can get personalized consultation through missiontatastu@gmail.com and our website, that is missiontatastu.com. So in this video, there are 4 indications basically which we have to look in a hand, and if they are all there, then this specific sector, although it is a very niche sector and very small sector as far as other sectors are compared in the share market or stock market, but this sector will be very beneficial for you if you are having these 4 indications in your hand, that is education and training sector related companies. So you can invest in those companies which are directly or indirectly related with education or training. Okay, so number 1 point is Jupiter Finger. Now this Jupiter Finger should be having a good length. Basically it should be bigger than this Sun Finger. This is the Sun Finger, the ring finger. This is the index finger, which is in palmistry known as Jupiter Finger. So this finger should have a length bigger than the Sun Finger. So if it is there, it is a good indication. Number 1 indication, it is like if you are having a Jupiter Finger which is bigger than the Sun Finger, it is a very good indication for you for going into education or training sector related company, investing into them in terms of shares and stocks. Okay, now the second indication is cross on a Jupiter mount. If you are having a cross on your Jupiter mount, this is the second condition for this specific sector. Number 1 indication, that is Jupiter Finger should have a good length. Number 2 is a cross on a Jupiter mount. Now number 3, this is a brain line or a headline, and if it is having a branch, the upward branch is preferable, although it could be a downward branch also, or it could be a multiple branches also. But if you are having a prominent branch, so this is a third indication for which is a very beneficial or say very positive condition for you to invest in these sector companies. Okay, so if you are already investing in share market, you need to have such a knowledge that in which sector or which type of company should I invest. So in this series of videos we shall be discussing all those sectors, and I'll try myself to cover all these sectors, but if I'll miss something, you can comment me or send me a message on email. So I'll try to include maximum of those sectors and the indications of their of these sectors, favorable indications on your palm as far as palmistry is concerned. So number 1 is Jupiter Finger length. Number 2 is cross on the Jupiter mount. Number 3 is branch on the headline on the brain line. And number 4 thing, presence of sunlight. This is the sun mount, this is the Sun Finger, this is sun mount, and there is the sun line. So the bigger and the thinner the sun line is, maximum benefit you will get into investing into share market. Especially if you are having all these 4 indications in your hand, you must try investing in education and training related sector companies. So it will be very beneficial for you. So these are the 4 indications. Any questions you can ask on comment, or you can have personalized consultation with me. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I shall be back with new videos very soon on different sectors. Thank you.